Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and real different video today. So we're coming off 2 weeks. I just wanted to take a second to talk about some. How do we overcome fear? We don't. We use it. So let's just talk about my experiences. So it was over a year ago that Bo reached out from me from Free Code Camp and tried to meet up and email and all kinds of things. So it had been a year since he and I had had any sort of email communication, and I just gave up on it because of fear. And I was just like, you know what do I have to lose? And I was terrified. Scheduled the meeting. It went well. They offered me the opportunity to stream on their platform, which that gave me unbelievably panic. But I did it. So I used that to make sure I was overly prepared. So I used the fear to make sure that I know exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, and I over-prepare. I always try to over-prepare. Now let's talk about just regular my YouTube channel. So I know it's small, but I love it. We're at 4,232. That is the biggest deal to me. So not only did I have learning disabilities, so that had to overcome for just learning how to program. Doing this and getting in front of people, speaking, I had a stutter as a child, and it sneaks out every once in a while. Sometimes you might hear it. You got to pay real close attention. I've been working around it for a very long time. But if you would have told me 5 years ago that I would be putting videos out on the internet, I would have laughed at you. But use the fear. It's cool to be afraid. Being scared and feared are different. Don't ever be scared. You can be fearful. Just use it. Scared is it's paralyzing. Fear is motivating. Just think about that for a little while. But we're going to be kicking back into this in super high gear. I've been on the fence and was going to start the video and see what was going to happen and come out. So this week is going to be things that I've commented and helped online with some questions, and then we're going to jump back into Beautiful Soup, and then I'm actually going to post some options of where we want to go, because I think we might be, since we have a lot more subscribers, we might be doing more challenging, more challenge questions, more Q&A, and maybe some extra videos with problems and answers to come, because that seems to be where we're going. So awesome that I'm back. Awesome interaction. Have been having tons of comments come through, and also if our community is growing. So if you're interested, and we have a Discord server and we have some admins that are taking over, and we're doing a lot more with Free Code Camp. So tomorrow, the chat on if you've jumped over to Free Code Camp on those streams or come from there, the chat is all open. It's not just members only, and we've already identified 2 admins that are going to be on there helping us out and keeping us focused. So we are going to be working on the community side of this. That's what we're going to be spending a lot of time growing and developing and really solidifying what we have right here. It's growing. It's awesome. It's fantastic. Never thought this would be where we're going with this, but I absolutely love this journey, and we'll see where it goes. So as always, guys, please, video requests, comments down below. Any questions, if you got it, somebody else has that question too, and they just may not have the nerve to ask it. The only bad question is the one that's not asked. All right. Oh, one more thing. You always learn more when you make a mistake. If you get it right, what'd you learn? Ooh, I was right. When you make a mistake, you learn volumes. you get so much more out of it. So go challenge yourself, go push yourself, go make some mistakes and learn something today. All right, guys, we'll pick back up on it, and we'll see you we'll see you tomorrow. And make sure you're joining Free Code Camp. Jump on over to that and set that reminder, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.